DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device and also some of these secret codes. So to enter secret codes you have to open keypad on your device and enter the secret codes here, and the first code will be *##*4636# *##**, and this is the menu where you can find a lot of your phone information. You can find usage statistics of your apps, you can find some Wi-Fi information and even some Wi-Fi configuration here. Pretty useful menu. The next code will be *##***2 426#****, and this is the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can view a lot of other informations about your connection. So yeah, a lot of different informations too. Next code will be *##*225###*, and this is the calendar info menu. So if you have any calendars added on your device, you can see them displayed here. And the last code for today will be *##06#, and this is the code which displays your IMEI ID code, IMEI 1 and also IMEI 2 code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.